Hey, welcome back to part 2, as I was saying, before my stupid camera that I hate cuts off on me. You have your 2.1, which, Apple products, and then you have your standard cable charging port, which is a 1.0. It looks like 1.0. Let me check that again. Yeah, 1.0. So, this is going to be about 1.0. So yeah, let me go ahead and grab a cable and show you how this little baby works here. So of course, you have your standard cable byte. Grab your cable, flip them upside down, split them open a little bit. Kind of push that cable in there. If you get it nice and pushed in there, turn it around, pull it back. And that cable's secured, it's in there. Your cord wire's not going to bend, get loosey-goosey, expose, all the wires from the jacket, being destroyed. You get a nice, secure, level connection and stuff. Now for the back, you could just put it in like a charger, or let's go ahead and use this one. So again, it splits open. Of course, it's going to be a little bit hard on this one to get the cable in because, a lot more thicker material than with, these little fellers. But, yeah, definitely you